Ilhan Omar will be the first Somali American and the first woman of color from Minnesota in the House of Representatives.
Every progress this country ever achieved came about because people were willing to do something to make that progress happen. So I knew early on that if I wanted a different kind of neighborhood, a different kind of city and a state and a country, I had to be part of doing that.
Representative Ilhan Omar. Of a really great state.
This is not going to be the country of the xenophobics. What we are fighting for is not for the few, but for the many.
When I said I was the hope of the United States, it's because I embody what that hope should look like.